system. So this will be the end result of how it will look like, something like this, and have your desktop here and everything. Then from here you download the software. Open this folder and open the folder and come to language. You have to open the language folder, then you delete the Chinese. Double click on the doc64. Hide the desktop again. Good. You right click here, then you hide taskbar. So now you can have this one. Now you can customize, go to preference, then you customize this to your liking. Okay, this will do. In general, you can change the dock size like this, something like that. Then the zoom. So you can just do anything you want from here. You can customize it any way you want. Windows. Perfect window. So you download the Windows Mac operating system wallpaper, then you customize it nicely, something like this or this. Set it at was background. Perfect. And there you are good to go. From here you can add some of the icons to it, which are the normal icon. You click here, then you can pick what you want to add. And everything is here. The sound, the language is here. Unfortunately, this search bar will always pop up the system search bar. You can control your other stuff from here, brightness. And your sound. You also have your notification tab here. Pretty well. Just have your dock and you are good to go. This is your finder. It will always give you your folder to find whatever you want. Remember, you have the desktop here, everything here. So you can open anything you want from here, whatever you want. Open Word. So smooth. And here you can turn off, shut down the machine from here and everything.